Today, we're comparing two of the hottest compact SUVs coming to market, the all-new 2027 Nissan Rogue and the redesigned 2026 Toyota RAV4.
Both have been completely reimagined as of recently. Both are going all in on hybrid technology, and both promise better efficiency, more technology, and fresh new styling. But which one actually deserves your money? Let's break it down. But first, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on that notification. Let's start with the design. Both SUVs look completely different from their predecessors, but they have very different personalities. The 2027 Rogue takes inspiration from Nissan's newer models like the Murano and Leaf. It gets slimmer headlights, a cleaner front end, a more sculpted body, and an overall more premium look. Nissan also made it slightly larger while keeping its practical two-row layout. The 2026 RAV4, on the other hand, keeps its rugged SUV character. It still looks tough and adventurous, especially in the Woodland. Don't even get me started with the GR Sport trim, cause that is one bad boy. So if you like a sleek upscale design, the Rogue has the edge. But if you prefer something that looks ready for an adventure or even a bit sporty, the RAV4 still stands out. Now let's talk about price. The new Rogue is expected to start at around $30,000, making it one of the more affordable options in the segment. The RAV4 starts a little higher, especially since every 2026 model is now a hybrid. Once you move into higher trims or the plug-in hybrid, pricing climbs quickly. So if budget is your biggest concern, the Rogue could end up being the better value despite looking more upscale. Moving on to performance. This is where things get really interesting. The biggest news for the 2027 Rogue is Nissan's brand new e-Power hybrid system.
This system allows its gasoline engine to work as a generator while electric motors do all the driving.
That means the Rogue should feel much more like an EV with instant acceleration and smooth power delivery without ever needing to plug it in. The RAV4 uses Toyota's proven hybrid system, which combines a gasoline engine with electric motors to drive the wheels. It's already known for excellent reliability, strong fuel economy, and smooth performance. So if you want proven hybrid technology, Toyota still has the advantage. But if Nissan's e-Power performs as promised, the Rogue could end up being the more enjoyable SUV to drive with instant torque and acceleration. Now let's talk about fuel economy. Toyota is known for making some of the most efficient hybrids on the road, and the hybrid-only RAV4 continues that trend with fuel economy around the 40 miles per gallon mark, depending on trim. Nissan hasn't released official EPA numbers yet, but it says the new Rogue hybrid is designed to compete directly with the RAV4 hybrid and Honda CR-V hybrid for efficiency.
So, this could end up being one of the closest MPG battles in the entire compact SUV segment.
Next up is interior and technology. Nissan says the new Rogue will receive a completely redesigned cabin with higher quality materials, improved infotainment, and a much more premium feel. The RAV4 also takes a huge step forward with larger digital displays, updated software, and a more refined dashboard. Both look like major improvements, but the Rogue appears to focus more on luxury, while the RAV4 keeps things simple and functional. Now let's talk about practicality. Both SUVs seat 5 passengers and are built for families, commuters, and road trips. The Rogue has always been known for its comfortable seats and quiet ride, and Nissan says the new generation improves both even further. The RAV4 continues to offer excellent cargo space, flexible storage, and a reputation for being one of the easiest SUVs to live with every day. So honestly, you probably can't go wrong with either one here. Finally, let's talk about which one you should buy. If you're looking for proven hybrid technology, excellent resale value, and Toyota's legendary reputation for reliability, the 2026 RAV4 is still one of the safest choices in the segment. But if you want a completely fresh design, a more premium interior, and you're excited about Nissan's unique e-Power system that promises an EV-like driving experience without plugging in, the 2027 Rogue could be one of the biggest surprises of the year.
Honestly, this comparison is closer than ever, but I would personally choose the RAV4.
Yeah, it doesn't look as premium, but it's dependable, and I prefer the more rugged look. The RAV4 feels like the proven champion, while the all-new Rogue feels like the challenger that's finally ready to fight back. So which one are you picking? The 2027 Nissan Rogue or the 2026 Toyota RAV4? Let me know down in the comments.